Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lina and today I'll show you the most profitable and easiest trading strategy. If you're new here and you think the trading is too hard for you, it's wrong because my strategies are very simple even for beginners. And now let's start trading.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialogue with me and write plus VIP.
So I picked up such concept as today I was starting balance. For today is 200 and a half. The time frame of the first deal is 5 minutes and a deal for $500. Let's move on to the first concept. This concept is perfect for us for an increased detail as we observe the fractal indicator. Then we had a local minimum. So fractal down was updated here before the opening, and yeah. So also according to the MACD indicator, we see that its lines do not intersect but are going to cross somewhere at this point. From the bottom up. Now I'll explain you about fractal. So the fractal indicator is a market reversal indicator used in technical analysis. On a candlestick chart, this indicator looks like up and down arrows, and the fractal signals can be bullish or bearish, and based on the reversal it is indicating the bullish fractal tells you that the price has the potential to move higher and is marked by an arrow below it. And the bearish fractal tells you that the price has the potential to slip lower and is marked by an arrow above it. It's worth noting too that fractals is always formed from an odd number of periods, by default 5. So let's see in more detail in practice how to use it. In fact, this is one of the simplest indicators, as I said earlier before the opening of the deal. It's enough to see which fractal was updated. If the fractal was updated before opening the deal, and you do not see that the candles can grow below, then the fractal down, then the schedule will move up. So the chart move up. If you see that before opening the deal the fractal was updated and you do not see candles that may not go up for not the range, it means that the chart will move down. So it's easy, and let's wait for the closure. The main line of MACD crossed the signal. The signal for the purchase appeared, and the chart really begins to grow up. Deal plus profit $960, and we move on to the next concept. This concept is suitable for us. Reduce the time frame for 4 minutes and we'll open the deal by $600 and open the deal to decrease. As we see that the fractal that before the deal was opened, the fractal upwards were updated to the chart will move down. Also by MACD we see that its lines are not going to cross. The signaling line is located at the top and the lines are directed down. So the chart will move down, and I will tell you about MACD. The MACD indicator is the trend oscillator, combine the properties of both the trend indicator and the oscillator. MACD is calculated on the basis of sliding medium. The purpose of the indicator is to simplify the visual perception of signals supplied by sliding average, reduce the delay for calculation, 3 exponential sliding median-sized ones with different periods are used. From a rapid sliding average with a smaller period, a slow sliding average with a large period is deducted. So the MACD line is built on the obtained values. The main signal that supplies the indicator is the intersection of the MACD line and the signal line. When the main MACD line crosses the signaling from the top to bottom, this is the purchase signal. The intersection from top to bottom opposite the signal for sale. So I'll show you in more detail how to use it. So as mentioned earlier, our main signals are the intersection of the base and signal line. And when the main crosses the signaling from top to bottom, it's a signal for sale that happened here. At the last concept pair, there was just a purchase signal. And what to do if the lines do not intersect? Everything is very simple. It's enough to see which line is higher and where the lines are directed. In this case, the signal line is located at the top and the line is directed down. Accordingly, the chart will move down. But if there was a green line at the top and the lines diverged and were directed up, then we would open up for an increase. I hope you understood everything and we'll wait for the closure. Our next deal closed and plus get $434 and let's update our side and move on to the next concept. So refresh the page. This concept is perfect for us. Reduce the time frame to 1 minute and we'll open the deal by $700. We will open up for an increase as we see that the fractal indicated that the fractal was updated. But we see that the candle grew higher than that which fractal was based on. The fractal accordingly is redrawn to a new candle. Also, according to the MACD indicator, we see that its lines diverge. At the top, its main line and line are directed upward. Accordingly, the chart will move up. Let's see. Well, our last deal was closed for today in a plus. Good results for today, and let's finish our trading session. And if you have any questions, you can write me in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. And thanks for watching. See you later.